was it?
525.
Dang. That's for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Did you sleep the whole time?
No, good find. Oh, you can for sure fly fish right here.
This is all fly fishing right here.
Right here, like you stand right here, dude. Nothing behind you. Oh hell yeah, dude. Sweet. Let's go to the main attraction. Right? Like that guppy got me hyped up. Oh, you should. Yeah.
Just go, you're fine.
I don't know if you can see, but there's a deer right there. She doesn't really seem phased by us at all. Wow, this is beautiful. It just rained about, it was raining for like about 3 to 4 hours. It just stopped maybe about 30 minutes ago. So we're gonna try to take advantage and go fish a bit right there. Well, let's try our luck here. See what the Sierras have in store for us. So what you get? Nice. Here, bro. Oh shit. Here you go, man. There you go. Proper release over here, please.
There he goes.
And off he goes. Sweet. You caught him, Rebecca? Nice.
I was eating a granola bar.
This guy, you're on break over here.
I'm on break.
Granola time, we sat down and
You're over here on break, and Rebecca's trying to put foot on the table for you. Damn, bro.
Rebecca just fed us.
Oh, it's a little rainbow.
A little baby rainbow. Look at it. Check him out. Oh, and he's hooked on the net though, so I need
Yeah. Well, usually the net.
Can you hook that?
Yeah.
Because he's kind of small. I don't want to get him out of. Okay, that's good.
what is it?
It's a little rainbow trout.
Wow!
This is giant.
This is the biggest rainbow I've ever seen.
Dude, for the size he is, I can't believe he bit this.
I know.
Look at this guy. Are you chewing now? Can I grab? I'm close.
He's about to hook himself again. There you go.
You good? There he goes.
Alright. That's what I'm talking about right there. So, that's going to be our target. No, I don't think so. That was a good spot. So I guess we could go try that one out. And it should be a decent spot because I just seen a trout run out of here when he seen me. So hopefully we'll be able to cast and wow, well, the challenge is not falling. Yay, we made it. This is a really good spot right here. Come to think about it. Let's see how fast the current is going. Oh, that's not good. There's a tree right there. There's a log. Oh, there you go. There we go. There we go. Fish on, fish on. Fish on. Yes, please. Got it. Yes. Yes. Look at Andy. What a champ. Walking it through. Bro. That's where we're going. I forgot to have mine. Hook, fish on. All right. Yeah, I think so.
Do you need the net?
No, it's okay. Didn't grip them right. Yeah. No. Come on, buddy, go. Nope. There you go. Scared me there for a second. I've been having really bad luck lately with oh my god. Got distracted there. What I was saying is that I've been having really bad luck lately with snakes. So I'm trying to walk very carefully, watch myself, because the last thing I need is to run into another one right now. Oh, dang. Fish out. Oh, he came off. I didn't hook him. And he was a big one. Bro, what was that? Fish on? Got one? Sweet. Sweet.
You have any pliers?
Yeah, I think I'm a pocket. Can you check my pocket? Might still be on the
I don't know.
pocket. Hey, do you have your pliers?
Here, yeah. Let me put my rod down real quick.
Black. Oh, you can get that out.
Here you go, bro.
Hell yeah. Let's go. Where is he?
There you go.
Relax, bud. Relax. There
Sweet.
you go. Bye.
Fish on. Nice. Ooh, that's a decent one. Nice.
Right here, left hand. Oh, you got him right on the lip.
Perfect.
Clean.
Should be an easy release.
Left lip. He might do. There you go. No, you're gonna have to get it.
I think you got fish on. Fish on. Oh my. You got a net? Yeah. Oh shit. Can you hold it, please? Oh, thank you, buddy. That was a quick release. Yeah. That was a quick release. And my hook is still intact. Sweet.
That's a brown. Damn, how many types of trouts are here? You calm now? Nope. Yeah, hold on. Oh, I hooked onto the ready.
Hold up.
Oh, he came off.
Came off?
Oh, he came off. Yeah.
Sweet.
Hold on, chill. There he goes. Wow. I can yeah. Damn, that was a big.
What up, guys? Oh, sorry. I thought it was pointing down already. Nice little fire over here. And over here we have the stream. Nothing like filling some nice mountain spring water.